Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply keyframe to our video in Inshot. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your Inshot app on your phone, and then you have to create new video by clicking on this video option, and you have to choose new to create new project and choose the video that you want to animate using keyframe. And then I'll go with this video. And after you choose your video, you have to click on this check mark. Alright, and then choose the part of the video that you want to add keyframe by slide your screen like this, and you have to click on the video to add keyframe. And after you choose the part of your video, you have to press this feature, this keyframe feature like this. And I'm going to create zoom animation on my video, and what I'm going to do is just zoom my video like this. Just pinch the screen with both of your finger like this. And if you want to add another keyframe, you just have to slide your screen like this, and then click on this keyframe like this. All right, and we can add keyframe as much as we want like this. And don't forget to animate your video, zoom your video like this. This is the way we can animate our video with keyframe. Alright guys, and let's check it together. Okay, and then you can explore it by yourself guys, and you can explore it until you get the animation as you want. Okay guys, that's how we can apply keyframe to our video in Inshot. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.